Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So tonight I'm gonna show you my little nighttime routine during the quarantine season. So go ahead and get started. I'm going in with a bath fizz so that I can just sit in that hot water and let my body soak. Then I'm gonna go ahead and taking out my contacts and following up with my face wash. The face wash is supposed to remove dirt and impurities from your skin and purify the pores. It does leave that nice tingling feeling, which I do love, and I do apply it for 60 seconds. Make sure that the product is thoroughly worked through. Then I'm gonna go ahead and follow up with my Shea Moisture Clarifying Mud Mask for any pimples or any acne that's on my face. And I do go ahead and apply that for 10 minutes using a little brush. Once the product is rinsed out and I'm at the shower, I do apply my toner, which is by The Ordinary. It does help with hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Then I'm following up with my eye cream. This is the e.l.f. Illuminator Eye Cream. I apply it to my eyelids, under my eyes, and my brows to go ahead and give me some hydration. Then I follow up with a serum which penetrates the skin more deeper than your average moisturizer, so it's gonna target the issues directly. I'm using the Glow Recipe Brightening Pineapple one, and that one smells so good, y'all, amazing. And I'm gonna go ahead and pat that in, do a little dance or two. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my moisturizer, my favorite moisturizer, which is the Clinique moisturizer, the gel one, which is for combo and oily skin. Following up, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask, which I do rinse out in the morning. Once I'm done with my skincare, I do go ahead and apply some lotion to my ashy legs. Even if I'm going to sleep, I want to feel hydrated and moisturized. Put on some pajamas. Then I go ahead and lay down and, make sure I write in my little book. This book, I write down all my YouTube ideas, videos, content that I have to post for Instagram, any posts for my blog, upcoming ideas. I write them all down before I go to sleep so that I do not forget, and I can always refer back to it at any given time. Once I am done, I go ahead and set that aside, and it's time for me to watch Netflix until about 6 o'clock in the morning, y'all. You know how it is during this quarantine. What bedtime? There is none, period. So then I go ahead and shut that down, go to sleep until the next morning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.